Captain Smart close to 2015, 2016 elections. And I open and then the boy a question up from $1 million. Near the VAT car home. Mother, and never who, letting the other do be any paying for me on my own. Because in never evidence will bring I'll make me the upper out, but never go and PP party, no, gentility near too much. That's it. There's a gentle thing to be a one go for it. Oh, sir, yeah, mamma, punchy, on my left and right, said in we are. And PP for communicators near penny for you. No question that one. I was all but I am not quite say, almost call it gentle way. So, what do you now obey the Captain Smart or your 1 hour for Becca to be fixed the country? Or be a confrontation one more, Ghana tick over $1 million. And so, to myself, and confirm so a sabi, and Kanya she crank a Farukunum, able to me a ton of Adama, I am a Ghana, and Kafaruk to a what Nankai, what about confirm Grant Yamano. Most sorry, I must more than confirm the Cosilem and Palmer than confirm Cosilem and confirm and medicine net. Avram Moshe Papanum on the gang. I you for a go Bokina, Avram Papanum in the gang. I jatiche and confirm what Mohammed Jan and Coodina. Avram Papanum one mammanum, I teach some winning in Ari. And no one better teams is on more common sense into Ghana for him and for moment power. Oh, boy. I think. Well, I see a and confirm on come off. Nami me anti bida and yes he can wuko ria. Sabe Accra City mu emu na ya to confirm a ukochi chinga grant ni ade ade ankofo we bi de we na sa. E ne den anka off na eko. Mo koso anoma san de kogu border so. E ho so nim sa Abraham papa ne na maame no squad ne nko ade guo. Akando no papa ne mo maame no nko ade guo de kwa ye bedi. Yesubanya ye timu anu no. And confirm Koya and confirm Amba. And one will be tried to say CFS and one CFS. Wow, Boa Papanas out quality or Bobo Keke. Obian will be sitting and copa to Chiman. I you. To me, Sicina me to train 9 Guinness obey ye. It's a lie. I just say, this is what wrong. I'm in the Musa obey the wind. Sorry, I say, obey the wind, sir. Rock papa. I rock papa. Obey the wind. Obey the window, obey the. There's some obey the wind. Maybe I'm from another bank. Could be hey, almost a kufa because 170 million. Hey, obedi, hey, and 170 million. Now, a cry a team, now, quality that form. Now, no man, Penya got 170 million. A cry a team, now, lighting edgema, no man, Penya got 170 million. Hey, my patch 170 million. No, a kufa do Jesus said, would you or no sure so and as was what the Bayagan Juma. But as we are shallow. Now one man quite edge me for the other that won't know. The Ayakan news in Munuba Jedi. Okay, Germany, I'm about to that for we need Dutch or Dutch Development Bank. The businesses now move grown where is strictly for businesses. Strictly for businesses. Okwa, aqua loan, what the abesha where you move, company Muna de building. French Development Bank, anyhow. More sham France, anyhow. South Africa, South Africa for Development Bank. Canada, we have it. It's sister to be a young man, yes, you. Yes, too kind. And the system, no, yet the system, nothing. Because what is Germany? There's a business development bank, and I said there's a development bank there. Businesses day in, day out, are uplifted because it is the private sector that can develop in order for people to get hired. It is working in France. O president, ya Ben now will be on ABB buy and I'm done in the commercial bank. And go for this cat on Mekuyi. Ghana. ADB, you done in the commercial bank. Now, a president, if you are born, you see there be a day. I get trend. I cost watch and I am why. Sadia why in the then you be Sadia. Yes, so Ghana for your development bank ni be ye. Voter region for more kind of be demo.
Sa iron ore deposit na yenya wo mo side ho no voter for mo na me mo kase otifo no mo na me mo kase sa iron ore na yenya wo ho no mo na mo betumi akọ development banks we no ho akọjeje de bo sia dia bie steel plant and steel companies and stuff. And so politics into me adada you say Akufo-Addo akọjidi. When you know per the constitution Akufo-Addo cannot spend 1 kobo second penny peswa of Ghana money without parliamentary approval. You know. Lawyer, welcome. You know very well. Abenbiaba Development Bank in the US. American Development Bank is there. And I'm catch on no bad no Google kwesi dia can the oboa kwesi yampa na bitima ya medesa ampa ko check ye wo. What say wo per glass and kwa wo kuro mu development bank. Akufo-Addo koji the same loan the beye bi wa Ghana dia. Hey. Yante da. Yempene. Ye beko. Ye be shitai. Man ye de na ye nyina ye beko court. Court no kra ye nko se ye kwa ye de be dan ntokwa. Why are we doing this to ourselves? So we say we babuno. Okay? So we say we babuno. Now ope abanya edwe the babuno ho a. To be honest with you, when yes me MPP in America, I'm talking about the policies. Last na make us a rental agreement here. Akufo-Addo government person they be a housing ministry for afi omugusu omoye ho eyi. I mean, say very soon they will do it. Housing allowance. Uti Germany ebi wo ho. Uti Canada housing allowance wo ha. Uti US housing allowance wo ho. Ukuro mu Ghana aban bi aba o se ade na US for ye e de so se be mabu na ase omo wie school foforo omo person omo start bra yemfa mbeso ma sen yemfa embeso san mabu no we asen usi da bi because me MPP ni me NDC ni menti ase enya adepa usi enya adepa we ye babu no de bi amekasa asem we so wa ha ono ma me di nkoma a ubisa ne sema e ba ne say na wan ko school o se na sika ni ho ende obi aba